Hi everyone, it's Akasha, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make that trendy TikTok whipped coffee that you might have been seeing. You're just going to need some instant coffee, granulated sugar, water, and milk. And I use the Folgers Classic Roast Instant Coffee, but you can use whatever you have and grab a bowl. I just grabbed a bowl and put around 3.5 tablespoons of instant coffee, 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, and I heated up 3.5 tablespoons of water for 20 seconds and then poured that in. You can do 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons, just make it equal. So if you do 3 tablespoons coffee, then 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons water, same thing with the 4, make it all 4. Then you're going to go ahead and start whisking this for about 10 minutes. So you're going to see me whisking it here. I used a regular old hand whisk, but if you have a hand mixer, then that would be a lot easier to use. So I saw online that some girl put cinnamon in her whip mixture, which I guess you could try that out too, but I didn't want to do that in mine, so I just did it like this. And this is after 10 minutes. These are the kind of peaks you want to get, and that's how you know it's ready. So then I went ahead and grabbed a mason jar. You can grab whatever you want. You can put either warm milk in it or iced, and I went ahead and put iced milk, and I added some vanilla creamer. You can use any milk, oat milk, almond milk, whatever milk you want. And then you can go ahead and start scooping and putting your stuff in. I just like having sweet drinks, so that's why I added creamer, but that is really optional. You don't have to do that. And just go ahead and throw your whipped coffee in. And that whipped coffee should just float right on top. And you guys will not believe how good this was. You'll see the taste test next, but this was just actually really good, and it was pretty sweet too. That might be part of my creamer, but it was pretty good. I really enjoyed it. Oh, it's actually really good. You want to try some?
Oh wow, that's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah,
it's
Coffee?
yeah.
And? It's caramel, right?
It's not caramel. Hey everyone, if you guys watched that all the way through, thank you for watching. I don't personally use TikTok. I have an account, I have the app, but I don't really go on there. I saw this one on Instagram. You know, people post the TikToks on Instagram, and I really wanted to try it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I know there's a lot of noise in the background. I'm sorry about that. I have my sister and her husband over. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you want to see other like TikTok hacks or TikTok foods, please comment them, because this is the only one I've seen so far and I really enjoyed making it. I have it right here as well in case you guys want to see it. Yeah, and this is pretty nice. The frothy stuff is on top. So you probably shouldn't taste that unless you're really into like bitter stuff, because my sister did that and she obviously didn't like it. She thought it was like caramel, but the actual drink she liked, and I had my dad try it, my brother-in-law, younger brother, and they all liked it, and I like it. So basically, if I had to rate it anything, I would rate it in 8 or 7.5 out of 10. Taste was like an 8 out of 10, but having to whisk it just took too long. So if you have a hand mixer, this would be easier for you. But I'm gonna stick to my regular coffees. I might make this every now and then. Just whisking it takes like just too much hand power, I guess. I don't know. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and comment what other TikTok hacks and food recipe things you guys want me to try next, and I'll look them up and I'll try them so that you don't have to. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.